Hey guys, welcome to my video series where we learn how to EQ everything. In the following videos, I want to show you how I EQ the instruments that I most often receive when I mix. I will show you my approach to EQing kicks, snares, basses, and all the other instruments that we usually have in a production, and how I clean up the sound to get them ready for the next stages of mixing, which is then compression and further tone shaping to make them blend well into the production. In these videos, I'll take instruments from different qualities. We'll have some not too good recordings, we'll have some very good recordings, and what I want to show you with this is what kind of minimum level or quality you should aim for when you're doing your own recordings and your own productions, and how you can fix instruments when you receive them when they're maybe not as good as you hope them to be. In the first round of videos, we'll do some basic EQing, we'll clean up problematic frequencies, I'll show you exactly how to easily spot these problematic frequencies, we'll talk about some basic principles of EQing and also monitoring and how they impact each other. I will be using a simple digital EQ so you can see exactly what is going on. You'll see that the curves often get quite extreme and quite crazy, but this is not something to shy away from as long as it is going towards a good end goal. Before jumping into EQing, however, I want to say this: good EQ decisions can only be made with good monitoring. If you cannot hear what you're doing properly, then you will not be able to make good EQ decisions. And I receive many mixes and songs that were produced where I can clearly hear the stamp that bad monitoring has put on the whole production. So I strongly encourage you, if you're serious about making music, or even if it's just a hobby that you really like, buy a good set of headphones. I don't even want to tell you to buy amazing monitors, because good monitors without a good room, or at least a really well treated room, are as pointless as glasses without eyes, really. I personally love the HD 650s from Sennheiser. You know, $300, $350 can get you a set of headphones that you can use for the rest of your life with amazing results. That's what I'm using to this day, actually, and I really love them. So without further ado, let's do it. I'll see you in the next videos.